This is my linen cupboard, and honestly I don't know how I lived in like a granny flat sized house before, and we're going to actually make this cupboard look pretty. Like a plain pillow.
Can she help me find like so many things?
Because it's my birthday today. Oh, I didn't even tell you that.
If you go to the toilet with the door open.
Yeah.
Which I do all the time.
Oh.
Good morning. I have a little bit of a task to do that I've been putting off, and you probably have the same problem if you have a house or anyone lives in a house. So a lot of people have these problems, I reckon, unless you're like super organized. But my linen closet is a chaotic mess. And it gets like that even if I clean it up or whatever. And when we moved, kind of just got all shoved in there and I didn't really like organize it. So I thought I would take the time to actually organize it. You want to see it? Okay. So you are in my craft room right now, which also needs to be organized. It's like somewhat, but there's more things that need to be organized. This is my linen cupboard. I have another door here. There's 4 doors, which is fantastic. There's so much room, but for some reason I've already filled it up. And honestly, I don't know how I lived in like a granny flat sized house before, because that's where I used to live. And I literally had one little tiny little cupboard for a linen cupboard and a craft cupboard. Now I have a whole room for a craft cupboard and a whole like wall of storage, and I've still filled it all up. Anyway, if you haven't guessed, today we'll be going to IKEA, we'll be getting some storage bins, and we're going to actually make this cupboard look pretty. Let's show you what's inside. Okay, it actually doesn't look that bad. Right, that's my Christmas stuff up here. Here is like toilet paper and paper towels, and then this is all like, oh, see, that's a mix between sheets, doona covers, and then I've got like blankets here, but then also sheets on top. It's kind of just like not organized in like category, and I really need to like label them. And then I've got like pillowcases here. I don't know, it's just washers. No, that's not washers, that's tea towels. That's washers, but that's tea towels. It's just really bad. In here is like my, oh, wrong way. Might need to come around the other side. So dark. This is not gonna work. Here is, I think there's like togs and stuff, just like random stuff in there. I've been wanting to put my togs in my bedroom because I have space in my wardrobe there, seeing as Michael has the other drum room as his wardrobe. Like a plain pillow. So let's take a photo of everything, measure everything, then go shopping for storage bins. Then we're going to declutter and tackle. I don't think there's too much that I need to get rid of, but there will be a few things that I probably won't need anymore. Do a little bit of research on IKEA and Kmart, then we'll head to the shops. I just met the most cutest girl and she was so nice. And she helped me find like so many things. Good morning. So it's another day. I already got so many things at Kmart, but I also on Sunday, which was yesterday, I also went to Kmart again. It's like not much lighting in this hallway right now. I also went to Kmart again, and I found, sorry, I went on Saturday and I found this pendant, which is so pretty. It's actually really pretty, and it's very similar to the one I wanted to DIY, but I failed at DIYing it. I can link the video up here, but yeah. I got an extra one, but I think that's way too big. I think this is gonna work better. And then I've got all these storage bins that they had them at this Kmart. I don't know if I videoed it, but they had like literally no like storage bins at all at the Kmart that I went to first. So I went to one on the Gold Coast and they actually had some, so we got some. And then I just got like a bunch of like labels and stuff. Hopefully I can use some of these. They don't seem to have like labels that say like sheets or towels or things like that. So I also have like, there's also a section, oh here you can see it. It's like a black one where you can do chalk writing on it. So I think I might have to do that. There's actually a lot of sorting to do. But because it's my birthday today, oh, I didn't even tell you that. It's my birthday today. But because I went to a wedding on Thursday, I like took a day off and I didn't film, and that was the day I was meant to film this video. But yeah, because that happened, I'm now filming on my birthday, which is a Monday. But I don't really mind because it's like a really horrible looking day outside. It's like really rainy. So I'm filming this video with my mum. My mum's coming over to help me because she was like, you can't be alone on your birthday. So she's helping me film this video, which is really sweet. Which means it'll get done quicker because there's a lot of sorting to do. A lot. So we emptied the shelves, and this one too, all in there. So now we're going to build these boxes and then work out the layout that we want in the shelves. And then I've got like all these. Hopefully this is all we need. Because we're doing the Christmas tree up here, right? There's no piece of the Christmas tree down.
Right in there. Those spaces on that side.
Yeah. These ones, plastic ones. Yeah, I thought of that. I wonder if it will fit. Just annoying because like you want it to like be able to slide out. But like also, it's only camping stuff, so you only...
No, that no.
Yeah, and so at least it's using up space, as in like it has more space.
Yeah.
The only thing is, so when we put the Christmas tree here,
Yeah.
yeah, these are soft. The Christmas tree wouldn't be able to go on them, hey, on top, because they're soft, right? So,
Depends what's in them.
yeah, maybe it would. and then get the Christmas tree. It's in Michael's room. I have a feeling it's not gonna fit.
Uh-oh.
I have a feeling the more movable one will fit, like that one. It fits. It fits. Yay! Okay. Time to put the rest of the Christmas stuff up here. So far, the Christmas tree fits and the boxes fit. So we're gonna stack them there, and then probably put the wreaths on top of the Christmas tree box, I'm assuming. Okay, so in here I have like a sheet package set. So I've got my pillow, my fitted sheet, and my flat sheet that's wrapped around it. So I'll show you how to do that. I just learned how to do it. And then I'm gonna put them all in here so that they're all neat. So you literally just fold your cushions into a normal square. Sorry, rectangle. However you do it. Like that. That's my pillowcases. I'll get my fitted sheet, which is kind of already folded-ish, so I'm not going to take it apart. And then you fold that into a rectangle as well. Okay, fitted sheet. So you want to fold your flat sheet until it's kind of like, has like a long strip like this, and you're gonna use that as your casing. You grab your fitted sheet, put it in the middle, pillowcases, and then put them side by side. You wrap it up. Voila! Doesn't it look cool? Okay, and then you pop it in.
Filling up my cup, coffee talk on the screen porch. So in love, now you're the one I'm losing sleep for. And I hope the wrong one slip right through your magic fingers. And I hope we find some way to fall in love like we were. Yeah, you're the only reason I was California dreaming in the first place. Seeing you in sundress seasons got me all up in my feelings for the old days, old days. I've got the summertime blues, thinking about you and me in the way that it used to be. I've got the summertime blues, hoping that you might be still holding on to me.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
I still think about you in the morning when I'm waking up. Laying in this bed without you's got me lonely and missing your touch. Yeah, you're the only reason I was California dreaming in the first place. Seeing you in sundress seasons got me all up in my feelings for the all days, all days. I've got the summertime blues, thinking about you.
Oh wow, that's pretty. Cupboard test. I'm so happy. That looks really good. Do you love it? Do you love it? No, you don't. We are doing this work, huh? I really like it.
I've got the summertime blues, holding on to you, holding on to you.
Oh, looks pretty good. I think we nailed it. Literally.
Yep.
That was so good.
It does, doesn't it?
Like the piece that was missing
Yep.
and the lamp and everything.
Yep.
Okay. Michael, now you can come see it.
Okay.
Alright, you ready?
Is it recording?
I'm ready.
Alright, come and have a look. look,
Good rug.
the cupboard
And that's
doesn't
perfect.
hit it.
Oh, that's great.
I know.
Did you try both of them?
No,
Wow, that's pretty close.
really close. This
This
is the
is
cupboard.
much nicer and much more organized.
Uh-huh. We've got our sheets.
Mm-hmm.
We've got our
Good
towels, cushions, and
those are the hand
table
towels
linen.
and tea towels. Is that right?
So, hand towels, tea towels,
Cushions and table
Linen.
Table linen.
and then here is our wrapping
Oh,
paper.
nice.
It's really organized.
In a
really
Christmas
nicely.
thing.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And then this is our bathroom extras.
Yep.
So for like,
Oh, so you put the stuff on.
yeah. This here is our camping. So
So
we've
you
got
moved a
our
lot of the
mattresses. Yeah,
Yep.
mattresses. This is our all Christmas up there.
Yeah.
Just Christmas.
Okay.
Toilet paper, tissues, and paper
Yep.
towels when we have them. Camping
Mm-hmm.
under there, and then our hats and bags.
And does this close better?
Yes. Oh,
Oh, great.
yeah. And don't
Well done.
you like this?
Yeah, it looks awesome.
It looks amazing.
One question.
Kmart. Yes.
There's one thing you're missing from here,
What?
and it takes up a lot of room.
No.
Where are you gonna put it?
Under there.
Okay.
What is it?
We missed
The
the
stand-up
paddleboard.
paddleboard.
Oh.
Put it away, yeah.
But it can go under there. And then we didn't do this.
Oh, okay.
We didn't get time for this one.
That's fine. It doesn't really need organising.
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does.
The only thing you need to do is this.
That is
And
a
that-
shamble.
that
It's so
needs
hard
nails
to.
and-
Yeah.
That should be hung up.
That's pretty cool.
Thanks.
I like that.
Thanks for watching.
my favourite
Hope you
one.
enjoy.
You're trying to close it while I'm still talking to you.
Sorry, what did you say?
I said that's probably my favourite change.
Yeah, the
Or
light.
just that there.
Yeah, just like
One of my favourite
when you're
changes
sitting on the
is
toilet, you can just look down to this now, and it's beautiful.
if you go to the toilet with the door open.
Yeah.
Which I do all the time.
Oh.
Well, now I will be. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Mum, for helping.
Okay, no worries.
Best birthday present, a hallway that's pretty.
Oh, good. Happy birthday, Bridie.
Thanks. Thanks. All right, bye.
Bye.